All right. Yesterday's count was 290 in my class. So even if I consider that some students are attending combinedly, 60 students should not vanish, right? I can understand for 10 students at the most. Still 50 students are not there. Okay. All right, let's not wait for them. Let us start the class. Okay, so yesterday I had given one task. Not everyone has submitted the task. Okay. What is the problem, people? Was it not understood? Was it not understood? I'll tell who all have submitted. Okay. So starting from yeah, Pranav Jadhav has submitted, Virendra has submitted, Harshal, Monali, Kuldeep, Swapnil Rathod, Aisha, Sachin Gore, Abhishek Mane, Hemangi. Okay, so how many are there? I'll just count that much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60, 61, 62, 63. Only 63 students have completed the task. What is the issue, people? Tell me. What is wrong? Why other students have not submitted? 290 students are there in my class. Only 60 students have submitted the task. And what about 230 students, rest of the 230 students? I'll unmute you people, okay? So those who are attending from laptop, right, they can unmute themselves now. Talk to me. What is the problem? What is the problem? Okay, everyone tell me. Yeah, Utsav. Yeah. You have submitted, Utsav? What is the problem, people? This is the case. If this is the case, I will not take your session. Those who have not submitted, tell me what is the problem. Hmm? Is it not understandable? What is the issue? You people want me to continue the class or not? Do you people want me to continue the class or not? So if this is the case, I will not take your classes. Okay. If you people are not completing the task, right, I will not take any more classes for sure. And I am not telling you this lightly. This is for sure. If you're not submitting the task, your classes will not continue.
That's so nice.
Even if you are not getting a proper output, right? Not a problem. Submit the task. With class name, he asked for module name. What is module name, sir? It is mandatory to take or not. What module? Regarding what you're asking, Pawan, you can unmute yourself and you can tell me. With class name, what module name? There is no concept of module name while writing programs. Okay, others who did not complete, right, who were not able to submit the task, tell me what is the problem. We will discuss the problem and we will solve it out today. App program board be पे trace करो sir. Only CSIT people getting, other people getting sir. आपसे डरते हैं student बोलने में भी. Sir, wait and sleep method are different in nature, so I'm confused in how to use them. See, Akshay, the only change you had to make in that program is where you actually, in the purchase method, where you were actually calling this dot wait. Okay, you were calling this dot wait method in the purchase method. Okay, and then you were actually doing what? In a restock method, you were telling after completing the restocking, you were actually doing what? You were doing this dot notify. Okay, so why we have to do this dot notify? Because we have to tell it that my execution is complete. Now you can come and start your execution. Okay, that is the only thing. Instead of this, what you can do, if you are using sleep method, okay, so this this wait method, what will it do? It will ask the thread to stop its execution, okay, to pause its execution and resume only when it sees notify call. But instead of that, in the purchase method, just use thread dot sleep. Okay, if you use this, right, then it would be like thread dot sleep for 3 seconds, sleep for 3 seconds, and then come back automatically. So in this restock, you will not have to give this dot notify method. Okay, because after 3 seconds, this thread will automatically start its execution. Okay, and Deepak, I'm really sorry, man, that I cannot trace each and every program on the board. You are now in advanced Java. You have to start understanding the flow of programs. Okay, because if I start tracing each and every program, small program on the board, right, it will give, sir, it's not showing the items of stock statement, items out of stock statement. Okay, yes, it will not show. Okay, that is one thing. It will not show that statement before sleep method, what you have called, right? It will not show that statement. Okay, so don't worry about that. That is not a problem. But focus on the nature of your flow of the program. Okay, it is first putting the thread into sleep, and then you are doing what? New restocking is being done, and only after that, that particular purchase method is executed again. So focus on that. Forget that statement. That does not matter. That SOP statement, that does not matter so much. Okay, you have to focus on the working of that. Sir, I had submitted but not getting proper output like wait and notify method. Thread gets sleep for some time, but immediate restock not happening. It is getting, it is, it give negative value of available items. Okay, so there is wrong implementation done over there. Okay, like I just now saw one person's program. Okay, I'll tell who's that guy. I guess it's some Chetan. No, Chaitanya Deshmane. Okay, Chaitanya, you have done that medical wala program. But what thing you have done is You have called the sleep method in restock item, restock method. Okay, Chaitanya, you're there? Chaitanya in the group, in the meeting? Chaitanya. Chaitanya Deshmane. No Chaitanya Deshmane. He is absent. Okay.
Yes, sir, I am there. I'm attending on Monday.
Okay,
This Monday.
Chaitanya. All right, fine. So you have done one mistake over there. All right. What is that mistake? That you have called the thread.sleep method in restock method. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We are not supposed to call it in restock method. We should put the thread to sleep, which is actually trying to purchase. Okay. So that is what you have to do. Change that. Okay. So I could check only 2, 3 such programs.
Okay.
Only 2, 3 people I could verify today after the session, right? I will verify for all of you. Okay, so the people who have not submitted till now, don't worry if the output is correct, if the output is as expected or not. Don't worry. Okay, I will not scold you for wrong output. Okay, I will not scold you for wrong output, not at all. I will scold you for not submitting for sure, but I will not scold you for wrong output. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, Akshay is saying, sir, wait and sleep method are different in nature. So I'm confused in how to use them. Okay, so all right, Akshay. Just now I explained. So that is the thing. All right, others. Deepak. All right, done. Pawan Pawar. Pawan, can you please unmute yourself? Pawan, you're there. You're attending on mobile or laptop, Pawan? I'm attending from mobile. Okay. So there is no concept of module. I don't understand what you're actually trying to say. I'm not understanding what module it is asking you. All right. So Satyajit, order of execution change in every time. I told you your order of execution will change. Okay. When we create a project name. Oh, all right. Project name. All right. All right. All right. I got it. Okay. Forget about that module. Don't tick that option. Don't tick that option. Yeah. That time below. Yes, correct. Don't tick that option. That is not mandatory. Okay, Pawan? Okay. Shubham Somvanchi, sir, actually I'm not from 2 days. I can understand it by friends and send it tomorrow. Sorry for. Okay, fine, Shubham. All right. Kundan, don't great model. All right. Pavan, all right, fine. So I guess this much is clear that even if you are getting a wrong output, right? Don't worry. Send it. Okay. I know I'm a little bit more strict than other trainers, but that is only for your good. Okay, people, because I'm telling you this J2EE won't be a easy work. Okay, it is going to be very challenging. We have to be very focused. Okay, repeat from project name what is needed in checkbox to select. All right, fine. I'll demonstrate once how to create a project. Okay, I was submitted, but I was taken 7 customers for purchase and only 6 customer purchase was getting executed. Implementation. Soeb, there is some implementation issue. Avinash, voice is not audible. I guess I'm audible for others. Am I audible, people? Yeah. Please explain that sleep method in purchase. Okay, fine. All right, let me do this. Okay, so let me start one program. Give me 2 minutes, people. All right. So let me present my screen. Yes. All right. I hope my screen is visible. Is it visible, people? Okay, fine. Right now, let's take our program. I'll be working on a different system as of now. So let me create it once again. Okay, so let's have our go down thread. Okay, sorry, go down class. Here, what I have to do is take integer of available items. Okay, then I will create the constructor. All right, then I will take one method over here, public void purchase, okay, which is supposed to accept one integer value, number of items. Please focus, okay, everyone, please focus. All right, now what I have to do, I have to check if the person is trying to purchase more number of items than the available items. Okay, let's print one statement. Okay, trying to purchase, all right, number of items over here, and then sorry, and then I will write items. Okay, then in the if block I will write if number of items is greater than available items. All right, then what do I need to do? I will have to put my thread to sleep. Instead of doing this dot wait, I will say thread dot sleep. I will ask it to sleep for 3 seconds. Now it is throwing me an, there is possible that this statement might throw an exception. So surround it with try catch block. Okay, that much we will do. And after this, if it is not, the number of items is not greater than the available items, then simply what we have to do is we have to say available items minus equals number of items. Okay, so this is my purchase method. All right, now one more method I will create over here, public void restock. Okay, here also I will accept one argument, number of items. All right, and I will create one method. Okay, first let us restock that particular thing. So available items plus equals number of items. Okay, so this will be done. Then I will print what? I will say number of items plus restocked successfully. Okay, so I am saying that these many items have been restocked successfully. Now, can you see the difference? I am only using thread.sleep. Okay, so instead of using this thread.wait over here, this dot wait. Okay, before what we were doing, we were using this dot wait statement over here, and over here we were doing check printing statement, sir. Okay, we will see. Don't worry, we will see. All right. Now, what we will do over here, we will say what printing statement, Bhushan. If it is up, if it appears or not, we will see. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. This has got done. Okay. Nothing. Let's see what we will do. Okay. Nothing. No problem over here also. We will see what happens there. Okay, Mohit, we'll see. Okay, now here I was doing what first? This dot notify. Now I will not do that. Okay, as you can see, I have commented those two lines. So in place of wait and notify, I am now using only thread dot sleep. Okay, so now I will create one more class. Okay, customer. This has to be my thread. So extends thread. All right. Then here I will give shop or go down as my property. Okay. So once I do that, I have to mention how many items I am going to purchase. So purchase items. Okay. Now let's create an constructor for this. All right. So we have done this. Now I will override the run method. All right. So here I will give one implementation, simple implementation I will give. Go down dot purchase, and I will pass purchase items as the variable over there. Okay, this much is my customer class. Now one more class I will create, that is manufacturer. How did you create constructor using shortcut? Mohit, there is a simple shortcut for creation of, I'll put a broadcast message, shortcut for constructor. Okay. Alt plus shift plus S. Okay, I hope everyone has got the message. All right. So now here also same. I will create my go down object over here. All right, and integer restock items. Okay. Now again Alt Shift plus S, and I will create the constructor, and then I will override the run method. Okay, I will have to extend the thread class first, then I will be able to override the run method. Okay, so here simple implementation I need to give, that is go down dot restock. Okay, and I will pass restock items as the variable over there. So my thread classes are ready. Let's create our main class. Okay, let's create our main class. Now that main class will be named as go down main. Okay, now here what am I doing? Simply I am having my main method. I will create an object of my go down class. Okay, so go down equals new go down. So I am stocking 200. Okay, let's consider 100 over here. Okay, I'm stocking 100 over here. Now what I will do? I will say I will create a new customer thread. Okay, I will pass go down over there, and first person will buy 100 items. Okay, now here I will say dot start. Okay, so during the creation itself, creation of the object itself, I'm starting my thread. Okay, now one more customer I will create. One more customer I will create. Same object of go down I will pass, and I will ask that person to purchase 70 items, and I will start that particular thread as well. Now I will start my one more customer thread I will put. Okay, this time to decrease the number of items, available items, I will ask that person to buy 50 items. Dot start. Okay, then I will create one thread for manufacturer. Okay, I will put that thread for manufacturer. Same particular thing I will initialize, and I will restock 100 things. Okay, here I will pass 200. Okay, okay, 200. Let's put it as 200, and let's start this thread also. Okay, let's start this thread also. Now let's run this particular class. Okay, so run as Java application. All right, so trying to purchase 70 items, 200 restocked successfully. Oh, this is happening because I have not made it synchronized. Okay, we need to make it synchronized. Now let's check our output. Let's run it. Run as Java application. Why is it happening like this? Okay, number of items. If available, trying to purchase so many items. If it is less, thread dot sleep. Okay, so first person tried to. All right. Trying to purchase 70, 50, 70. Why is it? Okay. Okay. What method are we calling over there? In customer, we are calling purchase. In manufacturer, we are calling restock. In go down. Okay. And here we are doing minus equals. Correct, it is. Okay. So I'm trying to sleep this thread. All right. Let's run it. No. Thread dot sleep 3000. What is ERR? Nothing. It is just printing the thing, that particular message in red. That's it. That is the only difference over there. Okay. Nothing else. All right. Let me run another program for you. Okay. Let us run this. So if you check this, I have one more program over here. Okay. So one more program is there. If you see, biryani, biryani lover, biryani main, and biryani vendor. So what I have done over here is, let's check it out. Okay, I have one biryani class. So I have two methods over here. Okay, one is order biryani, one is deliver biryani. Okay, so now one thing over here is, there is one biryani lover who loves the biryani. Order the biryani. All right, and there is one vendor. Okay, there is one biryani vendor who is going to deliver the biryani. All right, so now what happens in biryani main? All right, in biryani main, I have created the object like this. Okay, I have created the object of biryani. Then first particular biryani lover is trying to order 6 biryanis. Then second particular biryani lover is trying to order again 6 biryanis. Then as it is less, then we will restock 5 biryanis. Okay, so let's see how this will work. Okay, so order for 6 biryanis has been placed. 4 plates of biryani left. Then cooking 5 plates of biryani, 9 plates of biryani available. Bon appetit. He has ordered again 6 plates. Then 3 plates have been left. What is happening over here? See, the first object was created for biryani, that is 10 biryanis were there. Okay, then one biryani lover came. See, one biryani lover came, he ordered 6 biryanis. Okay, so after he ordered 6 biryanis, only 4 were left. Okay, so this person, okay, this person again asked for 6 biryanis, but only 4 were left. So could he actually serve that particular person? No. Then this particular person will cook 5 plates more, and then he will tell him, boss, now the biryani is ready, 9 plates of biryani is now available. Now order of 6 biryanis has been placed, and then after that 9 were available, 6 is placed, 3 plates are left. Okay, no rocket science. It is an easy task. If you see the program, right, it is just like that. Okay, it is just like that. Instead of doing that, I am calling thread.sleep. Instead of calling this.wait, I am calling thread.sleep. That is it. Okay, I am doing that much of thing. Nothing else we are doing over here. All right. So this is the same example. The biryani vendor is calling this deliver biryani method. Biryani lover is calling order biryani method, and both of them are giving some quantity. And in the main, we are creating the objects of biryani lover and biryani vendor. Okay, so if you people want, I will send this particular project or this program on our group itself. Okay, so let me share it on the group after the session, and then you can understand it more properly. Okay, all right. So now uh, let's discuss another topic. Okay, let's move on to another topic. Now we will start with something called as, here now we will start something called as, yesterday we saw what did we see yesterday? We saw our serialization and deserialization. Okay, correct. So what is happening? We saw serialization and deserialization. So we have already written something about it. All right. So now we will write further thing about it. Okay. How to indicate that our class has to be serialized. Okay. How to indicate that our class has to be serialized. So write down, everyone, open your notebooks. Okay. Open your notebooks. Write down. I'll be dictating. Okay. I'll be dictating. Let me write down also. Okay, so to make a class capable of being converted to a byte stream. Okay, to make a class capable of being converted to a byte stream, we have to implement serializable interface in that class. Okay, then this marks our class for serialization and deserialization. This marks our class for serialization and deserialization. It signifies that there is a possibility that the objects of this class might be sent over a network. Okay, write down this. Done writing, people? Okay, all right. Write fast, Nikita. All right. Now we will see what is actually this serializable. Okay. Okay. So give the heading as serializable. And write down serializable is a marker interface in Java. Marker interfaces are empty interfaces with no members or methods in it. They are used to mark the Java classes for a specific functionality. Okay, it is just used to mark our Java classes for some specific functionality. Then some of the other marker interfaces are clonable and remote. Okay, clonable and remote. Write it down first. Done writing? Done writing, everyone? Okay, great. Now tell me which method was being called for serialization purpose? Which method is called for serialization and that method is present in which class? Tell me. सीरियलाइजेशन के लिए कौन सी मेथड कॉल होती है? करेक्ट, राइट ऑब्जेक्ट मेथड. Okay, and it is present in which class? Yes, object output stream. Okay, and for deserialization, which method is called? Read object. Correct, and it is present in which particular class? Object input stream. Correct, correct, correct. All right. So this is just a concept. As I told you yesterday itself, you cannot see the conversion of an object into an output byte stream, or the conversion of byte stream into an object. You can nowhere actually see that. Okay, it is just a virtual concept. Okay, but it is present. All right, so this completes our serialization and deserialization topic. Now, please tell me if anyone has not understood any part of serialization and deserialization. Is there anyone who has not understood any part of serialization and deserialization? Everyone has understood? Sure. All right. Let's see. I'll get to know in your mocks only. I'll get to know in your mocks. No worries. All right. Fine. Clonable. Shubham Gade. Don't worry about marker interfaces, people. Okay. You are not going to use them. Only serializable is the one that you are going to use. Okay, Shubham. Don't worry about clonable or remote. I'll tell you the uses of it, okay? Not a problem, but it is not usable for you as of now. Clonable is used when you have to create a clone of an object, okay? Whenever you have to create a clone of an object, you have to implement clonable interface. That Deepak Sinkar. What do you want me to explain, Deepak? Complete serialization and deserialization. Okay, fine. So serialization and deserialization. Consider, okay, consider you're using some application. Okay, you're using some application. For an example, let's say you are using, let's say you're using your Instagram application. Okay, so you are actually using it on your phone. Correct? You're using it on your phone. Now, is the Instagram data present in, sir, please explain definition again. I'll explain, don't worry. Okay, so is the Instagram data present in your phone? It is present in the database of its own company. Okay, Instagram has its own database. Okay, and there is the data of your account present. Okay, so is your phone directly connected to the Instagram database? No, it is actually connected to it using some network. Okay, this is the network. So what will happen? Your data will come from here, not bytecode. Pranav, not bytecode. It is byte stream. There is a difference, bytecode and byte stream. Okay, there is a huge difference, bytecode and byte stream. Don't mix it up. All right, so now your data will come over a network, but your network cannot hold objects like username, okay, password. It cannot hold all of these objects. Okay, properties of the objects it cannot hold. So what can it hold? It can hold some byte stream. So combination of 10101011001100, it can hold only byte stream. So when actually your object is being transferred from a platform over a network, it has to be converted from its object form to the byte stream. Okay, it has to be converted to the byte stream. Then it can travel over this network. Now, conversion of byte object to byte stream is called as serialization. Okay, it is called as serialization. Now, all right, your object, when it was coming from Instagram database, it had been converted to the byte stream, and it is called as serialization, correct? But now when you are actually receiving that particular object from internet, okay, you are receiving that object from internet. Now do you see 1010 in your details, or you actually see this username and password? You actually see this username and password, that is the object. So to convert your byte stream into converting your byte stream into object is known as deserialization. Okay, it is known as deserialization. Okay, so this will take place with the help of as the other people told, write object and read object method. No, I am audible to others. Tushar, check your audio. Others, am I audible? Yes. Tushar, please check your audio. Okay, so this will be done with the help of write object and read object method. Okay, so now what is done with the help of write object method? Your write object method will actually do the serialization part, and your read object method will do the deserialization part. So for every binary conversion, we have to use serialization techniques. Binary conversion. What is binary conversion? This is in respect to object, Ghansham. This is in respect to object. Only when object to byte and byte to object, then you have to use serialization. We are not concerned about other things. Binary to decimal, binary to hexadecimal, no. Okay? Don't worry about that. Only when your object has to be sent over a network, it has to get converted into byte stream. Understand my statements. Okay, my statements are pretty much straightforward. All right, so your write object method is used for serialization and read object method is used for deserialization. So your write object method, read object method, where are they present? They are actually present in some other classes that are object output stream and object input stream. So what will happen when your data is coming from Instagram database? Okay, this particular write object method will be called. Then once write object method will be called, your object, this username and password will get converted into byte stream 1010. Okay, it will flow through the internet, but before reaching your application on your phone, this read object method will be called. Okay, and what will that read object method do? It will take this byte stream and convert it in your respective username and password object. Okay, and then you will be able to see your data over here. Okay, so your data real-time applications need serialization and deserialization. Okay, so that is the entire, and you will never get to see this conversion. We as programmers, we never get to see this conversion of byte stream to object or object to byte stream. Okay, it all happens inside the machine in which package it is present. Okay, I'll tell it to you tomorrow. Even I am not sure about it. I'll have to read about it, then I can tell you about it. Okay, Kundan. So which package it is present in, I'll tell it to you on Monday. All right, or else even you can Google out. All right, so we are not concerned about that. That's why we do not use it. Okay, Kundan, these methods, we are not using these methods anywhere. Okay, this write object, read object method, we are not using it anywhere. Okay, so we are not concerned about this packages where the class is there. We are not concerned about it. Okay, okay, Santosh has found out the answer. It is in java.io. Okay, this is Deepak Sinkar. This is not packages, these are classes, Deepak, and classes are always present in some packages. Yes, it is serializable is present in IO. Yes, serializable is present in IO. All right, this object output stream, object input stream, I am not sure about. Okay, you people can check, not a problem. Now, this is all about serialization and deserialization. All right, let's see the next topic. Okay, that is, give a heading in your notebooks, everyone. All right, the heading as design patterns. Okay, give the heading as design patterns. Now let us see what are these design patterns. Okay, I will tell you what is an overview of the design patterns. So design patterns is nothing but a structure of or a way of writing a program. Okay, it is just a way of predefined way of writing a program. If you write a program in that manner, there will be no problems in your development. Okay, so many developers have been developing many applications since a long time, correct? So they already know if they do few things what problems can occur. Okay, and they have designed some patterns that if you follow that pattern, that problem will not occur. Okay, that problem will not occur. So these developers will have defined some patterns. So we have predefined patterns means what? Way of writing a program. Predefined way of writing a program. So your design pattern is nothing but a predefined way of writing a program. And if you actually follow this pattern, then your problems, recurring development issues can be avoided. Okay, can be avoided if you actually use these design patterns, then the recurring development issues can be avoided. So these developers have created what? These developers have created what? Some predefined way of programming. They have created this, and with the help of this you can actually avoid the recurring development issues. Okay, so what is this? Just let's write a definition for this first. So I will write it, please copy everyone. Design patterns are a predefined structure are predefined structures or way of writing a program that is developing an application in a way in which the recurring development issues can be avoided. Okay, so what are we saying actually? Okay, let me increase the font size. Recurring means which are repeating. Okay, Deepak, recurring means repeating, repetitive. Vinayak, is it visible now? That much font is sufficient? All right. So what is this statement telling? That I can only avoid the issues from happening, but it is not used to, it is not used to solve the occurred development issue. Okay, we can avoid means we can stop it from happening only, but if it happens we cannot solve it with the help of design patterns. Okay, we can only avoid it, we cannot solve it. Okay, So design patterns help to develop more efficient applications or softwares. Deepak, what is this nonsense KGF2? Deepak, what is this KGF2? What do you mean by that? Your minds will work in that. KGF2. Here your mind will not work. What? All right, let's move ahead. Now, there are several types of design patterns. Okay, there are several types of design pattern. What we are going to see is creational patterns, structural patterns. Okay, so what is this creational and structural patterns? Okay, so creational patterns are actually associated with the object creation. Okay, so whatever problems occur during the creation of objects, that is solved using creational design pattern. And whatever problems occur due to the structure of the project or the classes and interfaces, whatever structure is there, right? If problems are occurring because of that, then we can use structural design pattern to avoid those problems. Okay, written everyone? Now give the heading as creational design patterns. Okay, give the heading as creational design patterns. Give me 1 second. Where did it go? Yeah. Where is it going, man? What is happening? Okay, fine. So give one more heading. Okay. Give one more heading as creational design patterns and write down creational design patterns are associated with the object creation issues in development process. Okay? So creational design patterns are associated with the object creation issues in development process, right? So what are the different types of creational patterns we are going to see? Let's check out. Oh, this is happening. All right, all right. So what are the different types of object creation problems are happening actually in development? Okay, let's see it. There are different types of creational design patterns. First one is singleton design pattern. Okay, then second one is factory design pattern, and third one is actually builder design pattern. All right, so these are the three design patterns which are associated with the creational design pattern. Okay, it is associated with the creational design pattern. So, and creational design pattern is what actually? So, whatever problems arise during creation of object in the development process, that problems can be avoided with the help of creational design pattern. Okay, so don't worry, I'll be explaining this to you on Monday once again. I'm just giving you an overview. Okay, then second, what is the second one? All right, we have seen that is builder design pattern. First, write this down, people. Write this down. What we have written till here from creational design pattern. Write it down. Have you people written it? Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. All right. Good, 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 good. All right. So now let's write for E. Yeah. Okay. Let's write for builder design pattern. What is a builder design? Sorry, this builder is done. This one is, this is not builder. It is structural design pattern. Second type is structural design patterns. First one was creational, second one will be structural. What we are going to see, structural design patterns. Okay, we are going to see only the patterns which are mostly used in industry. Okay, there are actually various patterns that are there, but we will see only the ones which are mostly used in industry. So here we are going to see only one design pattern, that is adapter design pattern. Okay, so whenever you are actually trying to adapt the properties of different classes or interfaces at a time, how to do that? To create the to create the object of such classes, right? It creates some problems during the development. So in order to avoid those problems, what do we need to do? That is what we will see in adapter design pattern. We need to adapt the properties from different class, from different interface. That is what we have to do. Okay, so we will see what is the thing in adapter design pattern. Okay, so now tell me, from singleton design pattern, this name singleton. Okay, singleton, what do you understand? Can anyone tell me? Please don't Google or anything. Okay, this is not a competition. Just tell me, what do you understand by the name singleton? Sir, structural. Oh, I did not give you. Oh, fine, fine, fine. Yes. 1 second. Uh, okay. So let me write the definition of structural design pattern. Uh, ah, the design patterns associated with the structure of classes and interfaces in the development of a project are called as structural design pattern. Don't worry, I will change the thing properly. Okay. Okay. So the design patterns that are associated with the structure of classes and interfaces in the development of a project are called as structural design pattern. There are various types of structural design pattern. We will see the below pattern. Okay. And what pattern we are going to see is that is adapter design pattern. Okay, some answers actually came. Singleton bone structure. I don't know what is that bones structure. Single design file which have much more pattern. Okay, singular type of issues to be solved. Okay, concern about only one object creation issue. Yes, Hemangi got the right answer actually. Okay, so when we have to create only one object, okay, when we have to create only one object, that time we will use singleton design pattern. Okay, that time we will use singleton design pattern. Now, what is factory design pattern? Can anyone tell me what is factory design pattern? Pawan, you have any question? Pawan Pawar, do you have any question? All right, fine. So yes, you people are correct. More than one object, but why it is called factory then? Okay, so number of objects issue can be solved. Exactly, yes. So whenever there are multiple objects created, right? Whenever there are multiple objects created, we cannot keep the objects ready at a time. What will happen? It will just waste our memory. Okay, so if I, for an example, I want an object of car. Okay, I want an object of car. I am there to buy car. If I go to one showroom, टेल मी, अगर मैं गया हूं वहां पे बाय करने एक स्विफ्ट. ओके, इफ आई एम देयर टू बाय वन स्विफ्ट, तुम्हारे शोरूम में जब व्हेन यू गो टू द शोरूम ऑफ मारुति सुजुकी, डू यू सी स्विफ्ट ऑफ वन कलर or do you see swifts of all the colors at the same time? Do you see one color swift at a time or you see all the swift colors? One color you will see for sure. There is only one color. Okay, is there problem? What problem? Pavan, no, you said hi sir. Okay, at time one project has 1,000 designed. I'm not understanding what you're trying to say, Pawan. Okay, fine. No problem. Actually, you were saying something. That's why I was waiting. No. All right, fine. So you will see only one color over there. He will not keep all the colors ready for you. That showroom people will not keep all the colors ready for you. You will see one car, one color of car, and then you will decide what color you want to buy. Then they will manufacture that color, they will order that color for you, and then they will give it to you. You people know, right, that sometimes some colors have waiting, which have high demand, they will have waiting. Those colors will have waiting. Why is that? Because they will order only on they will order only that particular color which you want. They will not keep all the colors ready over here. Okay, so they will order on your request. Same way, they will order from where? They will order from the factory. The same thing is applicable over here, that the objects are not kept ready. They are given to you only when you request for them. Okay, from the factory. So this factory design pattern will actually make objects at runtime. Okay, it will make the objects at runtime as per our request. ओके, अगर मैं बोलूंगा कि मुझे क्लास ए का ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए, तो ही मेरा जेवीएम क्लास ए का ऑब्जेक्ट बना के मुझे देगा, ये फैक्टर डिजाइन पैटर्न के हेल्प से. अगर मैं बोलूंगा रन टाइम पे कि मुझे क्लास बी का ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए, तो वो मुझे क्लास बी का ऑब्जेक्ट बना के देगा. लेट्स से वी हैव फोर डिफरेंट क्लासेस ए बी सी डी. ओके, now I will not keep the objects ready. I will just write the logic for that, and I will give the factory design pattern the control to create objects. Okay, so whenever I say I want the object of A class, the factory design pattern will create the object only for class A. It will not create for B, C, and D. Okay, when I say I want the object for B, it will not create for A, C, and D. When I say I want the object of C, it will not create for A, B, and D. Same way, when I ask for D, it will create only for D and not for A, B, or C. That is the help of factory design pattern. Okay, and it is very helpful in real-time applications. Okay, because in real-time applications we are actually working on thousands of objects. Okay, so that is why this is actually very helpful. Okay, then builder design pattern. Okay, builder design pattern. Can anyone tell me, making of tea is builder design pattern? We can add water and add milk, sugar, add tea powder. Okay, yes, yes, you can say there is a chance that you might not add milk. You can make black tea. Okay, so you have options whenever you are creating complex objects. Okay, whenever you will be creating complex objects, design a pattern to solve issues. Okay, then whenever you are creating complex objects, you will take help of the builder design pattern. Okay, we will see real-time examples for all of this. What is that? We will see on Monday. As of now, I will just give you the overview of all the particular things. I'm writing. See, we are going to write about design patterns, single design pattern, factory design pattern, builder, adapter. We are going to write about all of it. Oh, Pawan Pawar, sir, I'm getting cut from class. Can you repeat from what? Should I repeat from what topic? Repeat from adapter design pattern. अब तक adapter design pattern हुआ ही नहीं है. Don't worry. Okay, we are going, I'll be giving you everything in writing for all of this, for singleton, for factory, for builder, and for adapter. But I am not doing it now because it is online. You will not understand everything. Okay, we will do the theory part for all the four design patterns on Monday. Don't worry about that. I am just giving you an overview for now. Okay, so then adapter design pattern. Okay, adapter design pattern is used when you are actually adapting, you are trying to adapt the properties from two different entities. Now, what are entities in Java? Your classes, your interfaces are all entities in Java. Okay, so whenever you are trying to adapt the properties from different entities, what problems can occur? can be solved with the help of adapter design pattern. Okay, so this is the overview. You will understand it better when we see the implementation on Monday. Okay, programmatical implementation we will see on Monday. So after that you will understand in a better way. Okay, so as of now just read about this whatever we have written till now. Not a huge thing to read, just small points. So read it and we will connect back on Monday offline. Okay, there is, as you people already know, there is this infrastructure work going on in the branch. All right, even yesterday you saw that light thing was going on, that wire was hanging and all, so it was there for today. It will not be there on Monday. Okay, and we are really sorry for that last minute we are informing you and you people are cooperating. Okay, sir, can you once give the demo to create package? Okay, you want a package demo. See, people, it is very easy. 1 second. All right. Okay, so let me close it off, close all. So now, as you can see, I will create one project over here. Okay, I will create one project, Java project. Okay, let's create it. Demo project. Okay, I'm creating one demo project. So you can see what all things I have made over here. Do not worry about this module and all. Okay, don't worry about it. Here, use an execution environment JRE. You have to use Java 1.8 only. Okay, use Java 1.8. Now, what will you do? You will click on next. Okay, nothing is there over here. Okay, you will directly click on finish. All right, so you can see this demo project has been created. You will get one source folder over here. Not visible. I know that particular thing is small. Harshada, try using 1.8. Okay, because we will be needing 1.8. So try using 1.8 only. Okay, don't go for the updated versions. Now, inside this Shubham Gaikwad, I know it is very small. I can understand. That's why I'm dictating it. Okay, and there is a problem. This section of Eclipse cannot be, the font cannot be increased for this section. Okay, so that is why, that is one problem. That is why I'm dictating. Okay, so this particular source folder, you can see I have highlighted it. Okay, so this particular source folder, you will click on it and you will press Control plus N. Okay, Control plus N, and then you will type package. Okay, once you type package, oh, this itself, the pop-up itself is not visible. Okay, give me 1 minute, people. Okay, give me 1 minute, 1 minute. All right, all right, all right. 1 second. So let me delete this project first. Okay. Now let me create this Java project. Now it is visible. All right, fine. Click on next. Click on next. All right. Now it is visible. Yes, correct. This particular thing is visible now, where I am typing demo project. Yes. Okay. Yes. My bad. My bad. My bad. I'm sorry for that. Okay. So here you will use Java 1.8 only. Okay. You will use Java 1.8 only. Shubham, I am audible for others. Please check your internet connection. Okay. So now, other things, you will not click on anything else. Okay. Direct click on finish. If you are clicking on next, this screen will come, and do not do anything on this screen. Directly click on finish. Okay. So once you finish, you will get this demo project for over here. Inside this, you will find one source folder. Okay, highlight this, click on this source folder and click Control N. Now type package. Okay, package. Now this project name will come here by default. Okay, now let me explain you the structure of our package naming convention. Okay, so the package naming convention works like this. Okay, first, always there will be your domain. Okay, dot your host or else organization name. Okay, then you will be having one more dot, then your project name will be there. All right, and after that, whatever you are creating this particular package, that respective name will be there. Okay, so specification. Okay, for which particular thing you are creating the package. So let's create one here. I will create now. Domain means what? Your .com. Okay, com is the domain. You can have in also. Okay, but we will use com.jspiders. Okay, because there is no dot in jspiders dot in. There is no domain for jspiders with the name dot in. There is jspiders.com. That's why you will use com.jspiders dot. So your domain became your com. Okay, then your host became your jspiders. Then project, as of now we were working on multi-threading, that became your project name. Then we had one package called as threads. So we had created that package for creating thread classes. That is why. Okay, so here our thing is like this. Okay, so your domain is com, your host or organization name is jspiders, your project name is multi-threading, and your specification is threads. Okay, so this is how you will create packages. If I have to create another package, okay, what will I do? Okay, what will I do over here? I will say com dot jspiders dot multi-threading dot main. So we created one package for main also, remember? So here what happens, your domain again becomes what? Your domain becomes com. Okay, your host name becomes jspiders, your project name becomes multi-threading, and the specification this time is main. Okay, so this is how you will be creating packages in Eclipse. All right, then let's see com.jspiders. Now my project name is demo project, so I will make one specification over here, that is main, and then do not click on this create package info and all, that is not required. Okay, click on finish. Now can you see there is one empty package created? This is white in color, so it means that it is empty package. Okay, I will click on it and I will say Control plus N. Inside this I can create my classes. Okay, demo class. Now if you see the color of this package has changed from white to brown. It means that it is not a empty package. There is something inside of that package. This is how you will create packages in Eclipse. Okay, is that clear, everyone? Okay, all right, fine. So before coming to the class on Monday, make sure you read the theory about whatever do we need to create package for every class, not for every class. Okay, as you remember, we have created, if you consider threads. Okay, if you consider threads, I have created one package for threads. Now this is my personal laptop, this is a different thing, but if you have seen, show the definitions. Oh, you want to see the definitions, is it? 1 second. I'll do one thing, people. I will post this photo on the group and then you can actually see it more properly. Okay. So I will save it and I will share the program which you show before start. Before start. Yes, yes, yes. That biryani program, that also I'll be sharing. Don't worry about that. Okay. Okay, people. So I will see you on Monday. All right, sir. What is the shortcut of creating class? Just click on Control N. Okay. Just click on Control N. You will get one creation wizard. There you can type class and you can create the class. Okay. All right. Okay, people. Sir, tomorrow is there any schedule? Sandeep, Sunday it is. You also enjoy. Let me also enjoy. Right? Let others also enjoy. Sir, package for every class? No, man, Mohit. For similar type, if my thread classes are there, I will create one thread package. And inside that, I will write thread classes. If there is one main class, I will create one main package. And inside that, I will write my main class. Okay. Yeah. So I will send these data, entire that program, that biryani wala program, this entire paint wala file on the group. All right, you can check it over there, and I will see you people on Monday. Okay, people. Bye bye. Good night. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy. I will see Java mock 8 p.m. tomorrow schedule. Not PM, sir. It is 8 a.m. Mayuresh, sir. It is not PM. It is AM. Ah, mentors have to come. Yes, mentors. Those who are mentors, those who have given their names as mentors, those 37 people. Okay, come at 8 a.m. And for if you are in Hemendra sir's team, it is the timing is at 9 a.m. Okay. Pavan, don't worry, man. I will send that entire file on Skype group only. Okay, so you can see it over there. All right, people. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good night. See you on Monday. You people can leave the meeting. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Good night, guys. Good night. अरे हाँ हो गया गुड नाइट छोड़ दो मीटिंग भागो